What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about creating a bus in Studio One. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about creating a bus in Studio One. I'm going to show you why it's important and how easy it is to create a bus. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and get to work. All right, fam. So right now, I'm going to show you how to create a bus inside of Studio One. But first, I'm going to explain to you why it's so vital, why it's so important. So right here on this mix, I have the beat. These are beat tracks. I have one pan left, one pan right. Let's say I want to adjust the volume to the beat, or I want to add some processing to the beat while I'm mixing and stuff like that. If I didn't create a bus for this beat track, then I would have to add the processing to both of them separately, which would just add time, and then it would add take up extra CPU performance. So that's why it's just best to create a bus. You could adjust the volume, the taste. You could do everything you need to do to the beat while messing with one fader. So like I said, that's why it's so important to create buses while you're mixing and while you're working inside of Studio One. So like I said, I'm first going to demonstrate with this beat. Like I said, I have a beat track here. Let me solo each beat track just so you can hear the beat without the bus. That's the beat. It's just a beat. So how do you create a bus? So we're going to create a bus with these two tracks here. So all you'll do is highlight both tracks, right click, and you're going to hit add bus for selected channels. That's going to give us a bus track. So as you see now with these two tracks, they're now routed to bus one instead of main like all the other tracks. As you can see, since it's routed to bus one is this, routed to the main. So first I'm going to change the name of this to beat bus. Now that we have this as beat bus, as you can see, it's now routed to beat bus, and we control the beat right here. Everything with the beat, the volume and everything, we control with this bus. So let me show you that. I'll play the beat. The beat is now playing. This is the beat bus fader. Let me solo the beat. The beat is now playing. Here's the fader. As you can see, everything is now being, with the beat, is now being controlled by this beat bus, which is great. So now let's say you want to add some processing to it. So let's go here. Just give me, let's see, what do I want? Let's get this EQ right here. So now we have the EQ that is actually on this beat bus, as you can see. Let me play it, and so you can see exactly what I'm doing. This EQ now controls both beat tracks. That's why it's important to create a bus. So now, let me show you again. So now I have vocal leads, which are right here. There's two vocal leads. There's a vocal lead and there's a punch. I want them both to be together. I want to control and mix those things together. So it works the same way. You highlight the two you want to do, right click, Add bus for selected channels. Let's call this leads. There we go. Now it's leads. And now this lead bus controls the lead tracks. There we go. As you can see, they soloed. And you control everything with the vocals from this bus. Like I said, it's very easy to create bus tracks, but they're very, very vital when mixing. They're very, very vital when dealing with Studio One, man. You must create buses. It just makes things much easier when you're mixing, when you're working with tracks. Yes, sir. It's very, very easy to create a bus in Studio One, but it's so efficient. It'll speed up your workflow, to help your workflow. It's just an overall great thing to do when you're working in Studio One. Create a bus, man. So make sure you guys watch this video as many times as you need to really understand why it's important to create a bus and how to create a bus. Do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.